Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you will be good. So today I am going to discuss question tags. So everyone will think question tag is very tough and hard, but I will say the easy method. It will be useful for your examination. Okay, let's start the class. Okay, I will clarify with one example, that is he can dance. He can dance. We will get the question tag can't he. Okay, so before knowing this, I will like to give some of the information regarding to the question tags. So first point is we use question tags to confirm the truth of the sentences. So why we use this question tag? To confirm the truth of the sentences. ఈ సెంటెన్సెస్ లో ట్రూత్ ఏమిటో తెలుసుకోవడానికి మనం క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్ అనేది యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ divided by a comma. So when we write the question tag, we will divide the sentences with a comma. Okay, and next third point, always begins with small letters. Okay, so many people will confuse that they will use the capital letters after the comma or starting of the question tags, but it should be the small letters. Alphabet should be small. And next, fourth point, ends with a question mark. So the question tags is like without a question mark, it will not say that it like a question tag. Okay, it should be used end with the question mark. And next, more important is use pronouns in question tag. So pronouns, you know that we already discussed in our class. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. So whether there will be the name depends upon the gender, we will use the he or she. Okay, so this is the most important things, and today I will say some rules and regulations and how to use and where to use and when to use. Okay, so we have the first rule. Okay, ఈ రూల్స్ మీరు అందరూ గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే we can write easily the question tags. Okay, a positive statement takes a negative question tags. Positive statement is nothing but without having not. No. Okay, for example we have he is playing cricket. It is the positive statement. How we can say, because we cannot have it, we didn't have here not. Okay, he is playing cricket. What will be the answer? Isn't it? Isn't it? So it depends upon the helping verb. This is the helping verb. So helping verb and plus not, that we get the answer. Okay, that is the question tag here. For example, Murali will come. Murali will come. Murali is the noun. Okay, and will is the helping verb and come is the verb here. Okay, so depends upon this. We cannot say will not. Okay, it is not a good pronunciation. We say won't. ఏమని చెప్పాలి? won't. will ఈ negative things ఏమొస్తాయి మనకి? won't వస్తాయి. ఓకేనా? won't he. Why we use he? Because Murali is a boy. Okay, so this is the first rule. But we remember that a positive statement takes a negative question tag. ఏమొస్తాయి మనకి? negative. How we can say it is the negative? Because not అనేది యాడ్ అవుతుంది. Okay, and next second rule, a negative statement takes positive question tags. This is the vice versa, opposite things. She can't play cricket. She can't play cricket. ఇక్కడ ఏముంది మనకి? can't. can't, cannot, not is there. So that's why it is the negative statement. So negative statement వస్తే ఇక్కడ question tags ఏమొస్తాయి మనకి? positive వస్తాయి. For example, can't, cannot will change as can, and she is the, we have the pronoun here, we need to use she. Can she. Okay, when we have the positive statement, negative question tag. When we have the negative statement, positive question tag. And next, this is very tough and mostly confused thing, that is I am a teacher. Starting with what? I am. Okay, I am a teacher. So most of them will write the answer that amint. Okay, but we will not get the amint. Amint and answer okay na? So what we write there? So we can write blindly that R in I. R in I. Because and here remember that I am a teacher. We are not having any note. Not in the manaki not an add in so it is a positive thing. Okay, but we can write I am not a teacher. I am not a teacher is a statement, the negative statement. We will get the answer am I. Am I. But I am a teacher, I am a student, I am a something in a profession. We can write I. Okay, but I am not a teacher, I am not a student, not the negative statement. We will get am I. And we cannot write am in I, am in you, like that. Okay. Okay, rule 4. When there is no helping verb in statement, we use do, does, did. Without having helping verbs, you know already the helping verbs, that is, next are, is, are, was, were. It's nothing but depends upon the tense of the sentences. We got the helping verb. So without having the sentences, we have so many sentences we have. So instead of helping verb, we use do, does, did. But there is a question mark there. Do, does, did. When and where to use and how to use. Okay. Do అనేది ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేయాలి, does అనేది ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేయాలి, did అనేది ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేయాలి. For example, do ఉంది. So when in the sentences the verb is in the singular formation, the verb we will use do. When we have the plural formation of the verb in the sentences, we use does. When we have the past tense in the sentences, already completed action, we will use did here. Okay, depends upon the negative statement, we will get the positive statement, we will get the negative answer. We have the first sentence here. They teach English. So teach is the verb here, but it is in the singular formation or plural formation? Singular. Why we can say that yes and we can add it. Okay, so singular formation we use do here. So do negative formation what we get? Don't. Okay, don't. And what is the pronoun they use? They. Don't they. It's a question there. And next, he likes chocolates. So here verb is likes. But see that whether it is in the plural form or singular form. It is in the plural or singular? Plural. Why? Because here we have yes. Okay. For plural formation what we use here? Does. Does. But in the negative formation, because it is a positive sentence, negative raval, doesn't. What is the pronoun they use? He. Doesn't he. Okay. And next, we play cricket. We play cricket. So here verb is he once played. It is nothing but what we have to use here the past tense. Did. Okay. But it is in the positive statement. Okay now. So did. We change it to the negative formation. Didn't. What is the pronoun we use here? We. What do we get? Didn't. We. And finally we need to keep the question mark. So this is the sum of the rules and regulations regarding the question types. Okay. I hope you may understand what I told now. So this is our class today. Okay.